How to use a Frontier Airlines flight credit at checkout. Frontier flight credits help us save money on future trips, so if we do not use the credit correctly at checkout, we could lose it or pay full price. So let's apply it step by step the right way. So we open up a browser for that, and once we open it up, we can go to flyfrontier.com, this one right here, and you can directly start searching for the flight. So you can just go over to the main page. Let's head over there, which should be available like this on your screen. Now what you need to do is go to the section right here. You can easily find it once you open up the site, and there just go over and start searching for a new flight. So you can choose up your departure and your destination, your travel dates here, and your passengers as well, like the passenger count, and click on this option called search to move to checkout, and there fill in your passenger details, and we can continue until we reach the payment or the checkout page. And while you are doing so, you can just go over and look out for a travel credit or the voucher section, and there enter up your travel credit number, the last name of the passenger, and click on apply, and that will totally reduce the price automatically, and you can just go and book flight, and we should be receiving a confirmation email. Usually you can open up the Gmail application for that, and the credit will now show as used or partially used, and make sure that the credit is not expired, and you can use the same passenger name as the original booking, and you can double check the credit number and try again or contact the Frontier support, and that's how we can do it. And the thing you need to understand is that the Frontier credits usually expired within 90 days to 1 year, and they are also non-transferable. So use all the credits before booking to avoid losing the value. And that's how we use the Frontier Airlines flight credit at checkout. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.